For questions 7 and 8, they want us to find the measure of the complement and the supplement of each angle. So complementary angles add up to be 90 degrees, supplementary angles add up to be 180 degrees. So to find the complement, I need to take 90 minus 52, and that gets me 38 degrees. So the complement of 52 is 38. To find the supplement, we need to take 180 minus 52, and that will get us 128 degrees. So 128 plus 52 gets you back to 180. So 128 is the supplement of 52. For number 8, it's very similar. To find the complement, we need to take 90 minus 37.8 to get 52.2. And then to get the supplement, take 180 minus 37.8 to get 142.2.